I'm just coming here.
Do you come every day?
Oh, I'm just coming. No, I think this is the for 1 month now. I've not been on here for like a month.
That means you beat me, oh. That means you beat your people. Do you want to play game? Are you playing game or you want to talk to your people?
Game? I don't even know how to go about the game.
You have to learn.
The last time I played game, Sandra Benedict, somebody saying ayo.
Hi. Pelat musical. Sort out the other day.
You're welcome. Who's that?
Oh no, I don't have cash again.
I thought Pelat taught you all day, though. But if you can learn, with time. But if you want to touch something, I can.
I don't mind trying. Okay. You can start with. Okay.
But when you're in a moving car like this, after this game, you don't stream when you're in a moving car like this because of TikTok, so they don't take your live access. Yes, they'll take your live access because it's a moving car and it's not safe.
So now, they will not take it now.
If after this game, I don't advise you should stream because the car is moving. It would have been like in the bbnaija. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But I don't advise it when the car is moving. Or else you're in the back of the seat and you're relaxed. They can't see that the car is moving. Guys, times
That's
2.
That's I actually love, but because of my makeup, I have to sit in front so it doesn't get mad.
So you're winning now. Okay. Time 2. Guys, can we
time 2?
Guys, double tap. Tap.
It will pull up.
Double tap. Guys, share. Tap. Just one game. Guys, tap. We have the triples. Triples coming, guys. We have the triples. Tap. So you see these triples like this. Times 3. Guys, 8 roses, guys. 8 roses. You see these? You tell your people to drop 8 roses.
Drop 8 roses, please.
Yes.
I'll tell you.
No, it has to be 8.
It has to be 8.
Yes, because that's whatever you see, that's what they'll drop for you. Guys, 4 more roses, guys. 4. Guys, go.
Okay.
Your one is completed. Right? I know your one is completed. Guys, 2. Because you see this thing. One more, guys. You see your own. I can't see yours. I can only see mine. Did you see yours? It said target reach. Did you see it?
No.
Not the time you didn't reach the target. Times 3! Guys, triples. I target reach though. Someone gift you. Someone sent you a gift.
Thank you so much, Gifter. God bless you.
Yeah. You are winning, no? You are winning. Yeah. You are winning, no? Someone sent you is it Titus fish? How do you say it in Pidgin?
Titus.
Yeah, someone sent you Titus fish. That's a slang word for the fish. Someone sent you a fish.
Oh.
Yeah, the person's name is Kashi.
Kashi.
Yeah, yes.
Thank you, Kashi.
There's another one. Then your number 2 gift. So you click on the names, the first 3, then you see the people that sent you gifts.
Okay.
That's how it works. Though I'll play one game.
Okay, Kashi.
Yeah.
Thank you, Kashi. Bolale Akerele.
Yes.
Omo Lula. Mana events. Bro, it's many people. I'm seeing top.
You can only see your top 10. Yeah, that's it's fun. If you try it out and you understand, you learn from somehow. Somehow, if you want to do it, it's easy. It's not that hard. But don't do stream when you're driving, especially on TikTok.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now, hope not see me Apple. I should jelly off am.
Yeah, maybe when you say I will after this game, then you can when you're settled, you can stream. It's not about because of TikTok.
Put it on my feet. So TikTok, we don't know whether I'm driving or not.
Yeah. But if the car is moving, I don't know. I feel like there's somehow they detect. I don't know, but it's a restriction. It's more of like a safety protocol that you do.
TikTok, please, in case you see this, I'm not the one driving and I'm safe. Maybe I should use my belt.
That's one reason
I am safe.
That's the more reason they will know you are in the car. That's more reason they would know you're in the car. Guys, just one game that will go, okay?
Well, I'll soon be. How many minutes now? 2 minutes. I'll soon get to where I'm going to. My Shayla. My Shayla.
Okay, thank you, baby. I'll see you. Okay, we'll play again. Okay.
So are we? Okay, Feton. Are we done with the game?
Yeah. The game is over. You won.
I won.
Yes.
Don't run away. Why are you running?
No, because of your live stream. No, I'm not running. You're live. If you're moving car, they will take your live. They will take your live assets. You won't be able to go live for 7 days. You won't be able to go live for 7 days. Yeah, so you have to be careful. When you settle, I'm online. When you settle, send me request.
Okay.
All right, baby. All right.
I think I have to go now. They said, if there's a moving car,